Hello, first graders. Welcome back to your social studies job for today. Yesterday, we talked about goods and services. Goods are things that people make or grow to sell. You can hold a good in your hand. You could even drop it on your toe. We also talked about services. Services are kinds of work people do for others for money. A service is a job that someone else does for you. Our target skill for today is, I can identify the kinds of work that people do in my community. Let's take a closer look. A job. A job is work that a person does to earn money. Do you know what your parents' jobs are? Do you have a job? Business. A business is where people sell goods or services. Look closely at this picture. What is being sold? Is it a good or is it a service? I can see in this picture that goods are being sold because people are buying treats to eat. You can hold those in your hand. You could drop them on your toe. And volunteer. A volunteer is a person who works without pay to help people. In this picture, we see that this lady has volunteered to push this gentleman in the race because he cannot run on his own. She is offered to help him without pay or without money. It is not her job. She is just a volunteer. Let's take a closer look at these three things that people do in our communities. A doctor. Is a doctor a job, a business, or a volunteer? A doctor is a job. Being a doctor is a job. This person gets paid to do her job. Migros. Think about what you go to Migros for. Is it a job? Is it a business? Or is it showing a volunteer? This picture is showing a business. Migros is a place where you go to buy goods. What about this picture? Is it showing a job, a business, or a volunteer? These people are picking up trash in their park without being paid. So these people are volunteers. What about this image? Is this picture of a farmer showing us a job, a business, or a volunteer? This picture is showing us a job. The farmer does work in the fields to make a living, to make money. What about these images of Big Chefs, Burger King, and Starbucks? Are these pictures showing us a job? Are they showing us a business? Or are they showing us a volunteer? These images are showing us a business, a place where you can buy or sell goods and services. This man is feeding a man who is less fortunate. This man is giving away food to someone who does not have enough food at their own home. Is this showing us a job, a business, or a volunteer? This man is a volunteer because he is not getting paid to help others. He is doing a job to help others. What about this image? This is showing us a car wash. Is it showing us a job, a business, or a volunteer? A car wash is a place I go to purchase a service, to buy the service of getting my car washed. So this is a business. And lastly, what is this image showing? A teacher. Is being a teacher a job, a business, or a volunteer? Being a teacher is my job. Very nice, boys and girls. Now it is your turn to create your own business. Your own business. So using this piece of paper that you see in front of you, you are going to create your own business. A business is a place where we go to buy or sell goods and services. My business is called Miss Rossman's Flat Tire Drive-Thru. Let's take a closer look. On the inside, you will draw a picture of what your business looks like. This is my business. This is me. This is a can of air. Can you guess what my business does? My business helps people with flat tires by filling up their tires with air. Have you ever been riding your bicycle and all of a sudden you get a flat tire? What are you going to do in the middle of the park? Have no fear. Miss Rossman's Flat Tire Drive-Thru is here. On the next page, you are going to draw a picture of the goods or services that your business will offer. I offer the service of giving you air. My picture says, get your air here. And then I've shown you how much I will charge. For a large tire, 10 lira. For a medium tire, 7 lira. For a small tire, 4 lira. What good or service will you sell at your business? And lastly, draw a picture of the people that would buy your good or service. Here I have drawn a picture of a very sad little boy whose bike has a flat tire. He is the type of customer that would come to my business. Boys and girls, your business can be anything you like. Maybe you want to sell cookies. Maybe you're really good at walking dogs and you want to sell the service of walking a dog. It is your choice. Have fun. I'll see you next time.